This is Kudzi and she's going to show us how to make her favourite fried rice.
I like making this fried rice because you can use different vegetables from capsicum to carrot to peas to corn. You can mix them up and make it taste really nice.
Okay, where do we start?
So we're going to start off by boiling the brown rice and the white rice.
That's really interesting. Why are you using brown rice?
Well, I like to use brown rice because it has a really nice texture and it's really healthy.
So the brown rice takes longer to cook than the white rice, so let's get that in the pot.
Yep.
While that's cooking, why don't we get onto the chicken? So you've got one chicken breast there.
Yeah.
And what are you going to do with it to make it easy to cook in the fried rice?
We're going to chop it up into 3cm pieces so that it's easy to bite.
So when you're cutting, for knife safety, tuck your fingers underneath so that when you're slicing, you can't get the tops of your fingers. Now let's put the white rice on. Let's be really careful because we're going to get some steam from that boiling water. And the white rice takes about 15 minutes to cook.
Yes.
We'll bring that back to the boil. We're just going to cook the chicken on a medium-high heat.
Yes.
And how long do you cook it at home for?
Just about until it's golden brown or it's cooked well through.
So that's about 3 to 4 minutes?
Yes.
That's looking really good. Now we've got carrots, capsicum and peas to go in there.
Yes.
What other vegetables do you cook with the family?
Maybe you could use broccoli, corn, and there's such a variety of vegetables that you can use.
While you're cooking that, Kudzi, I'm going to drain the rice. So we've got our drained rice, and Kudzi, you're going to add the vegetables to the pan?
Yes.
They're nice and even-sized pieces, aren't they?
Yes.
And they'll just cook a bit quicker?
Yeah, for 3 minutes. And now we're going to add some peas.
And you've got frozen peas there?
Yeah, you can also use different types of peas. You can use fresh peas, frozen peas. Add some red capsicum.
That looks really good. I like how colourful it is. Now, do you want to add the rice in? That's been about 3 minutes and it looks nice and tender.
Yes. So now we're going to add some soy sauce. Using soy sauce is really good because it has a nice salty taste.
It smells so good.
I think this is ready. Now we're going to turn off the heat. Add some spring onions for some flavour because it makes it taste really good and looks amazing. This makes a great weeknight meal or afternoon snack that you can make in 25 minutes.
Let's dig in. It's pretty good.
For more Cole's Little Chef recipes, head to our playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss any of our videos, click here to subscribe.